Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox. COVID-19 is a serious matter, and now it seems we are all looking for these typical household items that we used to could get every single day. Lysol disinfectant spray and Lysol wipes. You used to could just walk into the store and buy as many as you needed. But now you are limited as to how many you can buy, if you can even find them. Because as of right now, every store I have checked, they are completely sold out. So let me show you what I did to make my own. And this can be done with some typical household items that you might already have. If you have any kind of wipes, fresh wipes, baby wipes, doesn't matter, either one will work. Get yourself just a regular Ziploc quart bag. Now we're going to cut the bag open, take the entire package of the wipes and put them inside the quart bag. Next, we're going to use some just regular rubbing alcohol, but we want it to be at least 90% proof. And then we're just going to pour it right into the bag. And you can pour as much as you would like. You can separate it, you can pour it in the middle. You just don't want to saturate it to where it's dripping in it. But as you can see, it just absorbs it. And then just seal it up and use it as you need it. But what if you need disinfectant spray? Just use the alcohol and put it into a spray bottle. And this is also good to keep away bed bugs. You'll just dilute it with a little water and spray it right on your mattress. And guys, I honestly have no idea if any of this is effective. I'm just showing you what I did when I could not find the disinfectant spray and Lysol wipes that I so needed. So I hope this helps, and I want you to stay safe. And can I encourage you to subscribe? I would greatly appreciate it.
This is Sherry saying you guys can easily do this. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into What the Fox. Until next time, take care.